Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Analyst at GDMFX with the morning outlook. Starting with the yen, it's weakened, trimming a weekly gain against most of its 16 major peers, as investors awaited clues from the Bank of Japan's next move when Governor Kudura speaks today to see whether he will rule out additional stimulus. Right now we're looking at a price of 101.97, aiming for the necessary resistance level at around 102.50. Very important day for the yen. Follow the news so you can see whether the Governor Kudura will actually decide to put additional stimulus to the economy. On the other hand, it seems that Mario Draghi's plan to push the euro lower is working pretty good so far. We saw it taking support at around 1.35 against the US dollar, and is right now expected to retrace slightly up to 23.6% retracement level on the Fibonacci before we see a further possible decline. As investors are waiting, UK's recovery is threatened by the mortgage debt. Mark Carney is signaling that rates may start to rise earlier than expected. We saw the British pound climbing with more than 200 pips versus the US dollar yesterday. So right now it's trading at the price of 1.6975, and it's in overbought conditions on the RSI. So that is actually hinting a possible pullback down to support level of 1.6885. Gold is trading to a 2-week high. It's set for its first major weekly advance since April, as concerns that US recovery may be stalling and violence in Iraq will escalate, boosting of course the demand for safe haven. In yesterday's trading session, what we saw, ladies and gentlemen, a successful break above the resistance level of 1.1266. Right now is at the price of 1273, poised for a pullback as the first major resistance level is reached. On the other hand, West Texas Intermediate heads for its biggest weekly advance since December, gaining as escalated violence, as we said a few minutes ago, in Iraq threatens supplies for the OPEC's second largest oil producer. In yesterday's trading session, what we saw is crude oil climbed up with more than $3 in one day. Next major resistance is seen at around 108.90 per barrel. We are going to see that pretty soon, so hold tight and good luck with your trading.